As you can see here, the internal side is bubbling, so it's water coming out. There's a possibility that you're having a internal blockage. So now I'm gonna open the external cap and see what happens. As you can tell, the external cap is empty. It's flowing. There's good flow to it. Now, I'm going to open the internal side. You guys are gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay? You guys are gonna see what's gonna happen. This is what happens. So you hold this so that the water doesn't come all over your face, okay? Now, as you can see, the problem was in the internal side. Okay, I'm back. This is my trusty yellow glove. Let's see what happens when I go in the trap. See what I can pull out, okay? You can already feel something. See the line? Flowing. You hear it? Flowing. Flowing. See that? Flowing.